Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about the question number from 39 to 50, and so we start with the question number 39. The question number 39 is 8x cube and the outside power is 2. So when you see inside the parenthesis the term is given and outside is the power, when you open the parenthesis this power distribute on each number or each term which is inside the parenthesis. So this 2 is going to become over the 8, also over the x. So what I can write, 8 to the power 2 and this x to the power 3 power to the power 2. So 8 square means what? 8 square means 8 times 8. 8 square means, okay, now it's clear video. Okay, 8 square means 8 times 8, so that's going to be 64, and this is going to be open with the exponent power to the power, so that's going to be x to the power 3 times 2 6. So this how is going to be solved this question. Now question number 39 is done, and the question number 40 is of same pattern, so that you can do. Now I'm going to do the question number 41. So the question number 41 is, okay, now the question number 41, if you see, it is of same pattern, but over here what is the problem? The difference is only like here one part is given in numerator and one is in denominator and outside power is there. So when we have distributed the power over here, all the term was in the top, bottom nothing was there. Here in the bottom is also that number is there, so nothing, no problem. As we distributed over here, the same way we need to distribute over here. So this 3 power will come over 3 also, over x also. Okay, but the problem is over here negative sign. So negative means either this negative sign you take with this number or with this number. So I am going to take with this number. So negative 4 to the power 3 over x to the power 3. Correct. Now negative 4, when this is negative and power is 3, power 3 is the odd number. So when I am going to multiply negative number 3 times, so negative times negative is positive. Okay, negative times negative is positive, and then again positive multiply with negative, so positive times negative is negative. So ultimately what the sign is going to become, resultant sign is going to be the negative over here. If you don't understand, I am going to explain you this way also, and the down part, bottom part will remain the same. Okay, now negative times negative is positive, so 4 times 4 is positive 16. Positive 16 multiply by negative 4, that's going to be negative 64. So over x cube. Okay, how I have explained, because over here power was odd number. If the power is odd number and inside negative sign is there, so whatever the after simplification the term is going to come, like over here is come 64 will come with the negative sign. The resultant term will come with the negative sign. Why? Because here power is odd number. If it is odd number and negative we are doing like odd number, then the resultant term will always be come with the negative sign. If it is even number, then will be positive sign. If it is odd number, then always be the resultant number will come with the negative sign. So that when you practice, you can make it will be, you can understand it in more better way. Like suppose for example, I'll explain you negative 2 to the power 2. So here negative is there, and when you will be opening, it means negative times negative 2. Correct. Negative times 2, negative times negative is positive, and 2 times 2 is going to be 4. So the resultant number is going to come with the positive. Why? Because here the power 2 is even number. If it is 2 even number, then negative always, when you will do the square negative power, negative raised to the power is even number, then the resultant term will always come with the positive sign. If it is power like 5, means what I am going to do, I am going to multiply negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2 5 times. Correct. So see over here, negative times negative is positive, and again positive times negative is negative. Negative times negative is positive, and positive times negative is negative. So ultimately the sign is going to come negative. Now I will multiply 2. 2 2 is a 4, 2 is a 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So the negative 2. Why? Because over here negative to the power is odd number. If it is odd, then the resultant always come with the negative. If it is even, then always come with the positive sign. So that you need to keep in your mind. So I have finished with over here question number 41, and I'll do more question on the next stage. Okay, now question number 41 is done. Question number 42 is of same pattern, so that you can do your own. Now I'm going to attempt question number 43. Question number 43 is negative 3 x square y5 whole power 2. Okay, so over here I need to distribute this 2 on 3 on x square on y5. Okay, so I'm going to distribute negative 3 to the power 2 x2 and power 2 y5 and also power 2. Correct. Negative 3 square means negative 3 times negative 3 is going to be positive 9. Power to the power always gets multiplied, so 2 times 2 is going to be 4. Okay, over here y5 power 2, outside power is 2, so power raised to the power is always get multiplied, so 5 times 2, that's going to be y to the power 10. Over here also you have seen like the property, if negative to the power, this is over here what, even number. So even number, then we need to do the square of 3 only, so that's going to become, and that number will come with the positive. Why? Because over here is the even number. Now question number 44 is of same pattern, that you attempt yours own. Now I am going to do the question number 45. Now question number 45, when you see the question is 3x to the power 4 in one bracket, and then another parenthesis is given 2x to the power 7. See, between the parentheses you can't see any sign, it means there is a multiplication sign. When you open the parenthesis, number get multiplied with number, and like term will with the like term. I can write close by. So I have written number with number, and x to the power 4 times x to the power 7. 3 times 2 is going to be 6, and this is going to be x to the power 4 plus 7. So base is same. Then in multiplication power gets added, so 4 plus 7, that's going to be 11. This is how we have solved the question number 45. 46 is of same pattern, that you can do your own. Now I am going to the question number 47. Question number 47 is also the same pattern, but one question I will be doing, so you can attempt, and if any doubt is there, your doubts will get clear. 2x to the power 6, y to the power 4. Okay. Now over here, when you open the parenthesis, like here you can see negative 9 times negative 2, x to the power 3, x to the power 6, x term I have written together, and y I am going to write with y, so y to the power, correct, I have written. Okay, after writing, number get multiplied, so negative times negative is going to be positive. 9 times 2 is 18. Okay, this base is same to this, and this power will get added, so 3 plus 6, that's going to be 9. And over here y to the power nothing means 1. When you can't see any power, that means it is going to be 1. 1 plus 4, that's going to be y to the power 5. So this how it has come, 18x to the power 9, y to the power 5. So we have finished with the question number 47. Question number 48 is also of same pattern, so you can attempt your own. Now I am going to do the question number 49. Question number 49, if I talk about the question number 49, it's not that much difficult. The question number 49 is 8x to the power 20 upon 2x to the power 4. Okay, what I can do over here, simplification. So by this number we can simplify. This is going to be 4 times 4. Okay, and this is like by this property we can operate x to the power m upon x to the power n. So power gets subtracted. If the base is same and it is in division, the power gets subtracted. So over here from the top power you need to subtract this bottom power, so that's going to be 20 minus 4. So when you simplify, that's going to be x to the power 16. So that's how we have come to the end of question number 49. And question number 50. 50 is also of same pattern, so you can attempt the question. If you have any doubt, you can post your doubt on the forum. I'll solve it out or post the video.